Hey again. So this next set that I'm going to tell you about, it's called Tanned and Toned. So who would like some toned skin? I know we've been talking about our face, but did you know we have TimeWise for our body too? It's called our toning lotion, and when you mix it with our CC cream, it actually becomes an instant self-tanner. So I don't know if you've ever gone and gotten a spray tan before. It is quite expensive, especially for a good one. And our Tanned and Tone set comes with a full-size body lotion, our TimeWise toning body lotion, and a CC cream. And the way it works is you just mix them together and you apply it on your skin, and it's an instant tanner. And it doesn't rub off. Our CC cream, when you use it on your face, it doesn't come off. It's not like it's on your phone or when you hug somebody, it rubs off on their shoulder. So our CC cream has tons of benefits. This has a redness reducer in it, which works instantly. It also has antioxidants. It has anti-aging ingredients. It has a little bit of moisturizer in it. And it also obviously is coverage. This is one of our foundations. This is the most natural coverage one that we have, but it is also our most popular one. Now, with the Tanned and Tone bundle, typically you're going to get one that's actually way too dark for your face. But if you just want the body lotion and a CC cream for your face, then we'll just get you the right shade instead. So totally up to you. What I have here, this is actually our very deep. So I'm going to show you on my arm. So I'm pretty pasty. So I'm going to show you really quickly. I'm going to mix some lotion with this very deep CC cream. So this is what it looks like. I haven't mixed it yet, obviously. And I'm just going to put it on this arm. So I used very deep because I wanted you to really see on camera. I know sometimes the camera is hard to see, to really see how it looks. So obviously this shade is way too dark for me. And honestly, if I was doing the whole Tanned and Tone thing myself, because I was going somewhere, or I was going to be in pictures or something, I wouldn't use very deep. But look at this. So this is a huge difference. Look at this. And it looks good. It doesn't look like orange. It definitely never looks orange because these aren't orange. And it's not streaky. Now, see, you can see it on my hands. It goes on super smooth and it stays. So that's the Tanned and Tone. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this toning lotion that comes with the Tanned and Tone, because maybe you just want the toning lotion and, like I said, a CC cream that matches your skin. So I'm going to show you some pictures. This is a before and after. So look at her arms here and then after. So it really tones and tightens your skin. And then we have, this is someone that did the Tanned and Tone on her legs, on one leg, sorry. One leg, she's standing in front of a pink Cadillac there, but one leg with, one without. And then this is results of the toning lotion alone after some time of using it. And then this woman, she was really brave. She wanted to see if it actually worked. So she decided to do the toning lotion on one arm only. So if you look at this arm here versus this arm here, and I'll blow it up a little bit. You see the difference? She only did it on this arm. So, and then this arm is the one she did not do. This is the one she did. So she literally just did one arm for weeks so that she could show. This is someone else who did the Tanned and Tone on one leg only to compare the difference. So that's really cool. So that is the Tanned and Tone set, and a little bit more about this toning lotion. So it's formulated with 6 antioxidants, including our patented acai berry extract, which helps to minimize damage from environmental stressors. It also contains multiple botanical, it was a tongue twister there, botanical extracts, including pumpkin seed, argan seed, hawthorn berry, caffeine, and then coffee arabica seed that target different areas of concern. And it hydrates for 24 hours. So that is the toned or Tanned and Toned set. and it is 56 bucks, which is way less than one good spray tan. So, thanks for joining me again for this quick product highlight.